Welcome back everybody. In today's video we are going over the Harbor Freight 10 days of deals with day number 1. What we have in this deal is 30% off of all titanium welding products, welders, helmets, tables, gloves, and more. And then also we got a deal on the Vulcan. So let's go ahead and get started and take a look at these. We're going to look at the titanium stuff first since that's the longest one. Starting this off, we got the titanium Easy Flux 125 amp welder. This one is going to be $149.99 regular price, and with your 30% off on this one, it's going to be $104.99. Then we got their welding gloves in large. These are going to be $11.99 regular price. Sales price on these is going to be $8.39. Next up here, we got the 36-inch by 24-inch modular welding table with the welding fix-up kit. This is normally $189.99. Sales price on this one is going to be $132.99. Then finishing off this row, we got the stick 125 inverter welder with the electrode holder for $299.99 regular price. Sales price on this one is going to be $209.99. Starting off this row, we got the 7 square inch auto darkening welding helmet. This is normally $69.99. Sales price on this one is going to be $48.99. Next up here, we got a big ticket item. That's where these sales come in handy. We got the unlimited 200 professional multi-process welder with the 120 to 40 volt input. $749.99 is regular price. Sales price on this one is going to be $524.99. Then we got the MIG 170 professional welder with the 120 or 240 volt input. Regular price on this one is going to be $549.99. Sales price is going to be $384.99. Then finishing off this row, we got the 4.5 inch by 8.5 inch F-style welding clamp set, 2-piece, normally $39.99. Sales price on this one is going to be $27.99. Starting off this row, we got the 45 amp plasma cutter for $799.99. Sales price on this one is going to be $559.99. Next up here, we got the 9.3 square inch auto darkening welding helmet. $99.99 is regular price on this one. Your sales price on this one is going to be $69.99. Next up here, we have the 65 amp plasma cutter for $999.99. Sales price on this one is going to be $699.99. Then finishing up this row, we got a MIG 140 professional welder with the 120 volt input. This one's going to be $499.99 regular price. Sales price for you guys are going to be $349.99. Starting off this row, we have the unlimited 140 professional microprocess welder with the 120 volt input. $599.99 is regular price. Sales price on this one is going to be $419.99. Then we got the 45 inch extra long leather welding apron for $24.99 regular price. Sales price on this one is going to be $17.49. Next up here, we have a 150 amp spool gun for $159.99. Sales price on this one's going to be $111.99. And then finishing off this row, they got something's on clearance, so that won't count on this sale. Starting off this row, we got the 65 amp copper plasma electrode 5-pack for $24.99. Sales price on that will be $17.49. Then we got the 65 amp plasma cutting tips 5-pack, $24.99. Sales price once again on that will be $17.49. And then finishing off this section, we got the 45 amp plasma cutting tips 5-pack for $24.99. And once again, that'll be $17.49 sales price. Then of course the final thing we got here is the Vulcan 350 pound capacity welding cart. This one is $119.99 normally. With $40 off on this one, it's going to be $69.99. Not a bad deal on this either. So there you have it. There is our day 1 deals going on at Harbor Freight. 30% off of all titanium welding products. And then we got the $40 off of the Vulcan 350 pound capacity welding cart. Leave a comment down below. I want to hear from you guys. Are you guys excited about this sale? Is there anything you want to pick up? Let's have a chat down below. Love talking to you guys. So as always, don't forget, if you like videos like this, to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Leave a comment down below. And we are One Nation Under God. And I'll see you all on the next one.